Alright, next up we have Keith K with a 1-pack break. Where is it? There we go. This is 2012 Jumbo Regular. Box number 3. There we go. 2012 Jumbo Regular box number 1. And then 7 2013 Draft Jumbos. Alright. Actually, I'll double stack. Nah, I'll leave them single stack. Put one more on top, then I'll stack in front. This wall's getting big. There we go. Slide these over, slide these back. There we go. Now we'll stack the other 4 in front. What time is it? 3:20. I gotta get some shipments out right after this break. I guess this break will take about 30 minutes or so. Wall number 2 is getting built. And 4. One, 2, 3, 4. All right. There you go. Here's the side angle. That wall. And there. Alright. Here we go. Just looking for hits and serial numbered cards. So we'll kind of breeze through it. Oh, there's a refractor. These aren't serial numbered or hits, but they are your refractors. And base. Chrome ice card. I guess that's a sort of a hit. Kevin McCaig. And base. And base. Okay. Number to 500, Patrick Merkling. 500 in base. Ice card, Fernando Perez. And base. There's one, Corey Seager. Hit number 1, Corey Seager autograph. Base. A die cut. And it is Courtney Hawkins. That one's numbered to 99. Actually, I'll separate that to there. There we go. Refractor autograph, Brian Johnson. And base. Jordan John, refractor. And base. Oh, David Dahl. David Dahl autograph. And base. Gavin Cecchini, refractor. Red Ice, number to 25, Avery Romero. Avery Romero red. I think it's the first color. I'm going to move some base over already. Stack it back there. There we go. Alright, Keith, moving on. So far, 3 autographs, 2 numbered cards. Base. Oh, Kevin Gossman. Autograph number 4. Base. I gotta sneeze. Autograph 5, Austin Own, refractor. Excuse me. And base. Number to 500, Richie Schaefer. Marcus Stroman. And base. Ice card is Robert Ravago. Just base. 1 red ice so far. Need more color than that. Here's something. Color. And it is Hunter Bailey. Blue. Number to 250. Andre Martinez, refractor. Caleb Frere, refractor. There we go. I remember Bowman Draft doesn't have a whole lot of color. It gives a lot of. It seems like there's a lot of ice. Like this is a purple ice to 10. Joey Gallo, purple ice to 10. It seems like there's a lot more ice in the jumbos, more color in the regulars. Oh, it's 9 of 10. Mike Zunino, autograph. Lucas Sims. And base. Need to move another stack of base over. There we go. I'll move these over too. These are your inserts. And these are your colors. Alright. William Carmona. Will.I.am Carmona. There we go. Leonis Martin, ice card. And base. And base. To 500, Ty Buttrey. Base. Another blue here. Drew Pomerantz, blue refractor to 250. And base. Max Fried, autograph. Nick Williams, autograph. Grand Theft Auto outside. Michael Myers, ice card. Stack some of this base over here. There we go. Alright. Keon Barnum, refractor. And base. Refractor autograph, Nick Treviso. Refractor. Alrighty. See something other than blue chrome color. For a gold. Michael Myers, refractor. Jeffrey Declan. Alright. Wendelken. Maybe that's it. Wendelken. Andrew Haney, blue to 500. And base. Ice card of Dominic Leone. And base. Orange Mark Sappington, 250. Base it is. And base. Another blue. Autograph version, Corey Seager. Blue refractor autograph. First color autograph, number to 150. Bruce Maxwell. Autograph. Base. Move this base over. There we go. Place it there. These inserts keep twisting. Grab these. Put them over here. There we go. And that's your color and your die cut. There we go. Alrighty. Down this wall has 6 packs left. Which I think this was exactly 4 boxes. In the front, Mike Dodig, refractor. Jeffrey Delkin. Autograph of Mitch Ney. Mitch Ney. Getting all blues. Tanner Shepard's blue refractor. And these. Braylon Jackson refractor. And the last pack of box 4. Ice card of Jonathan Sanford. I'm just going to count them and see if you got the right amount. It should be, what's that, 4 times 3, wait a second, 12 autographs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, yep, 12 autographs, 2 or 3 refractors, and a blue refractor. And in 4 boxes, you got 1, 2, 3 blues, 1 die cut to 99, a purple ice to 10, and a red ice to 25. That's the first 4 boxes. Alright. Now we have 3 more jumbo draft, and then 2 regular, situated here, there we go, and 2 regular Bowman jumbo. Shane Watson refractor. Ice card of Matt Olson. Jason Stoltz to 500. Autograph Michael Walker. There we go. Ice card is Jared Parker. DJ Davis. And base. Paul Blackburn. That's the wrong stack. Auto here. Paul Blackburn. Refractor. Craig Stratton. I'm sorry, Chris Stratton. Messed up my own name. Chris Stratton, refractor autograph. Another red ice. Christian Friedrich. That one's to 25. Hisashi Iwakuma refractor. And there. Bring this base over here. And put these over there. There we go. Alright, moving on. We have refractor Mitch Hanninger. Uh-oh, there we go. Orange Tyler Gonzalez to 250. Ice card of Casey Crosby. Connor Leon. Finally, a different color. Victor Roach. Why couldn't it be autographed? There we go. We broke the blue color barrier. We were stuck on blues. Wyatt Matheson. Matt Moore blue, numbered to 500. And base, let me stack this up. There we go. Let's see. Autograph Devin Marrero. First relic card is $1.99 Manny Machado. Manny Machado jersey card, $1.99. Shane Watson refractor autograph. Getting lots of refractors, autographs. But not so many colored refractors. That's the one we need. Eddie Butler. Mike Morin. Tanner Shepers to 500. Another refractor autograph. Tons of refractor autographs. Paul Blackburn. Another red ice. Jamie Jarman. I think that's your third red ice. And one purple. Like I say, man, on these draft jumbos, seems like they load them with color ice, but not as much color as they do the ice cards. Which the color ice are more short printed, so I don't know why they did it that way. Eric Wood. Another blue. Autograph? Nope. Jesse Winker. 250 blue. Brett Wiley, refractor. Mark Sappington, refractor. Another blue. Lots. Oh, it's autographed. Second autograph color is blue. Marcus Stroman. Who was your first one? I already forgot. Marcus Stroman and Corey Seager was your other blue. That one's numbered 89 of 150. Redemption. Pat Light, Bowman Chrome Auto. Max White. You have Stephen Pryor. Three packs left. And then we'll hit the Bowman Jumbo regulars. Can we get another red ice? Parker Moore in blue. Base. Another refractor autograph. Kevin Plawecki. And the last pack of draft jumbo of the draft version is orange Wei Yin Chin, orange rookie. Alright. Lots of refractor autographs, and lots of ice cards. Alright, let's try Bowman Jumbo. Actually, let me move this over. Base. And base. There we go. Alright. Bowman Jumbo Regular. Right out of the gate, you get a blue. Alex Avila, orange. And Dante Bichette Happens, Jr., blue. Jake Marisnik, Justin Verlander. Tom Malone, Joe Mauer, Devin Mesoraco. Oh yeah, I need to be pulling those. Let me grab those real fast. You're pulling your inserts. There we go. And there we go. Put those there. Okay, there we go. Put the base right there. Those go there. Alright, back in business. We have CC Sabathia, Louis Heredia, and Matt Moore. Nick Swisher, CC Sabathia, Robinson Cano. Ever wonder? Once. Only once. Yunel Escobar, Jacob Turner, and yet another Austin Prune the Hedges refractor autograph. Jose Bautista, Tyler Skaggs, and another Danny Holtzen refractor autograph. Those are refractors, right? Yeah. They're actually numbered. The ones in Bowman Jumbo are numbered to 500. Alright, we have Kevin Youkilich, Jamil Weeks, and Brett Jackson. Oh, this guy, yeah. Adam Lind, Brandon McCarthy, Starlin Marte. Stack it up. There's that there. 29 minutes in. I said 30. I was way off. Brett Pill, Raul Alcantara, and Jacob Parker. Base, Anibal Sanchez, Carlos Ruiz to 500, Matt Harvey. Ben Revere, Travis Denard, Matt Perk-a-later. Matt Perk. Autograph. Vance Worley, Alan Craig, Manny Benuelos. Martin Prado, CC Sabathia, Dylan Maples. Autograph. Alright, flip. We have Giovanni Soto, Tim Lincecum, Johnny Peralta, Brett Lowry, Shelby Miller. More blue. Roy Oswalt, autograph version, Roy Oswalt, Joe Panic, and Dylan Batance. This is blue refractor autograph. 3 blues in 9 boxes. 3 blue autographs. Matt Dominguez, Matt Perk, Bubba Starlin. Can't remember what Miller got out of the first one out of that draft. We opened the case on Miller's video. I think it was a blue autograph though, I can't remember. Michael Young, Miguel Cabrera, Julio Rodriguez autograph. Mike Stanton, Kevin Youkilis, Gary Sanchez. 4 packs to go. I don't know if we're missing any hits. More red ice. And a gold die cut of some sort. Oh, sorry. Johnny Cueto. Red to 25. 24 of 25. Goes there. Anthony goes. Roy Halladay die cut. Sparkly. That one's numbered to 25. 17 of 25. Ricky Weeks, Raul Alcantara, and Garrett Cole. Two packs left. Tommy Joseph, refractor, Jose Bautista. And the last one here, Keith, then we'll recap it all, is Josh Johnson, Jose Reyes, Jonathan Singleton. Uh-oh, base jump. He did a base jump. Right down there. This over there. Alright, here's all your color. And die cuts and everything else. We have Roy Halladay, numbered to 25. Red Ice, Johnny Cueto, 25. Dante Bichette, 150. Jesse Winker, or actually 250. Jamie Jarman, Red Ice. Victor Roach, gold. Christian Frederich, Red Ice. Tanner Shepard, blue. Courtney Hawkins to 99 die cut. Drew Pomerantz. Joey Gallo, purple, numbered to 10. 9 of 10. Hunter Bailey, blue. And Avery Romero, red. That's all your numbered and colors. And here are all your autographs. Should be 27 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, and a jersey. So the numbers came up right. That's always good. Julio Rodriguez, Dylan Batance, blue, numbered to 150 autograph. Dylan Maples, Matt Perk, refractor of Danny Holtzen, refractor Austin Hedges, refractor Kevin Plawecki, Pat Light regular, Marcus Stroman, blue, 150, Paul Blackburn refractor, Shane Watson refractor, Devin Marrero, Chris Stratton refractor, DJ Davis, Michael Wacha, Mitch Ney, Bruce Maxwell, Corey Seager, blue, Nick Treviso, refractor, Nick Williams, Max Fried. There's a line by the M on Max. You can see it right there. There's a line by the M. But Max Fried, Mike Zanino, Austin Owen, refractor, Kevin Gossman, David Dahl, Brian Johnson, Corey Seager regular, and a Manny Machado jersey to $1.99. And that is 9 jumbo boxes. That'll do it. Keith, get on the way, buddy. See ya.